Maniacs, show boy, be red. Well, today's an awesome day. We're taking out both the Harleys today. We're meeting up with a couple members from the Harley-Davidson group. We're having a cruise for the frontline workers. It's a gratitude cruise that we're using to raise money for the COVID fund and, you know, show a little bit of support for all of our very, very important friends and family that are frontline workers in these trying times. Quickly go get ready. And then we're gonna hit the road. Let's go! Bikes actually look completely different now. So this one's mine. Going for that really bare bones bobber look on it. So I installed the broomstick dragster bar on it. Super aggressive seating position, which I love. I'm more accustomed to it, and got a buddy of mine, Mike, to help me black out most of the forks, which I think look absolutely great on this bike. Mike did the whole blackout on the forks as well, but instead of a drag bar, Jan with the built well Friscoes, I think that's what they were called, mini apes, raised the bars up just a little bit higher than OEM. She looks mean. All right. Get this going. Gotta make sure my angle's right since I'm used to being on a sport bike. I think this looks all right. What up, ladies and gentlemen? It's Brad from Motomaniacs. And interesting day we got today, like I said, and now here we are on the way to the charity cruise. Wonderful, I love it. I have no gas, the day is beautiful. Jan's got his bike out right there, and it's interesting because, you know, this meet is actually open to all makes and models. But, you know, decided to take the Spurty out because I a little bit neglected this bike for a little bit. Didn't really put much kilometers on it yet, but gotta say, with these new handlebars, I'm loving it. Anyways, let's go grab some gas so I don't just end up on the side of the road asking for a ride. See you there in 2 seconds, boys. Here we go, let's grab some gas. Oh, come on. Holy crap, 94 octane for the Harley. Man, it's kind of like I treat this Sporty better than my leader bike. Whoop, just like that. No spillage. Well, look at this. What time is it? 11:44. Still got, I think, 16 minutes until we're supposed to roll up. So, you know, how ironic is it that the two Filipinos would be the last people at the meet? Nice!
Yeah, okay.
Damn. Yes, sir.
Yeah. No kidding.
Big boy. What up, man?
Good?
Yeah. That's a crazy turnout, man.
Oh yeah, we're good. Well, we're finally heading out on the cruise. It's friggin' amazing. It's a different feeling riding with a bunch of Harleys. It's like the whole world is erupting with sounds of beautiful sounds. Just gorgeous. All you hear is like rumbling. It's amazing. And then my bike's stuck. There it is. Woo! Hey, let's get it. Lost a little bit of audio there. I think I literally swiped my hand as I was recording, but we're like midway through the ride now. I don't really know exactly where we're going, to be honest, but yo, I just follow, you know what I mean? It's not my crowd, and yo, it's kind of hard still, you know, like yo, bare bignesses, and then my little small little Iron 883. Everyone else has big ting bikes, you know, but it's all good. It's sick. All right, here we go. A little bit takeoff. This guy's bike in front of me is not loud as. It's so loud, holy. And yo, there's something about Harley-Davidson, kind of just, you know, you feel a little bored. You feel a little bored, you know what I mean? Holy! Because everyone in this kind of ride group is so organized. Like, they have signs, you know, they warn everybody that what's going on. It's amazing. Even something as simple as just looking at potholes. There's a hand signal for everything, right? And I could really appreciate this crowd. It's not a crowd that just, you know, rides to ride fast. It's crazy. My mom works in the medical field, so it's crazy that such an amazing organization like this supports the frontline workers. And like I said, all the donations are going to the COVID fund, right, in support of all of our frontline workers. And the ride is for the gratitude and the support of everybody working right now. So it's awesome. Holy! Sorry, like I said, it's like my first Harley-Davidson cruise, so yeah, a little bit excited. Oh, this is sweet. Anyways, let's get some more footage. Everyone looks at you guys in like a good way. A little bit rap, a little bit. Holy shit! Holy shit! The whole pull-up is on reach, bro. Oh, fuck. What happened? Good? We'll check it when we split, yeah. Sick, dog! Woo! It's so sick. Everyone's bike sounds freaking crazy. Oh, see that? Yo, that guy's pipes are loud, dude. Holy! That guy's Harley's just enough loud. It hasn't worn off on me yet. This is amazing. Jeez! Show support to the boys. You'll probably hear us coming from like miles away. No joke. Like everything just sounds like a bunch of like rumbling things. I'm probably the only dude here with a stock exhaust. But you know, it's like I'm lip syncing right now, you know? Like nobody really knows that it's not my bike that's stock. You know, just because I'm around so many loud bikes, it kind of sounds like my bike's loud too. Well, all my Okay.
Riding with that other guy?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's battery guy. He bump started them. I think they made it around the corner.
Is he like
Yeah,
thing?
we pushed
Where's this bike?
one, but he needs to probably head back.
Where's
They're
this?
here. They should hook up somewhere. They drove down in a
Okay, I'm gonna go find him. Thank you. Thank you. You okay? Huh?
Somebody's buying polo.